This is Uncle Doug and Aunt Brittany stuff, right?
You know what horse that is?
Meredith.
Yeah.
I knew that.
Well, turn around.
Sorry.
That's the little note that from Doug and Brittany and Kenzie.
You gonna read the note?
She won't be able to read it. I'll read it to her.
Is it just an oak? Oh, it's hard.
Yeah, Mommy and Daddy wrapped them. We put a lot of tape.
That was
They mailed them to us.
Meredith saying again. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Let's see.
Turn around.
Turn around. Daddy's videotaping you. Here, come here. Let me cut them open.
They have, oh, I thought Meredith was in there.
She is in there.
Oh my gosh. No way.
There's the brothers and the bears. And here's Merida and her mom. And then Merida's mom turns into a bear. The bear's in there too.
I don't see it.
They're right there,
The
dude.
bag?
That's the bear.
No, that's the bag. That's
Oh, okay.
the
Wait, turn around so Daddy. He's videotaping.
Hand me your paper.
Sorry.
Yeah, give that to mommy. Give that to mommy.
Actually, Rach, read that little note to her.
A gift note from Aunt Brittany and Uncle Doug. Merry Christmas, Addison. Love Uncle Doug, Aunt Brittany, and Kenzie. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Can I get up on the couch?
Oh my gosh. Dressed up like Merida.
Oh my.
I'm going.
Okay, I see it, honey.
Look at Daddy and then turn around here to Grandma. That is so cool.
Cute.
I've been waiting for one of those. A year or so.
For a year or so.
He's not a cat. Oops. Didn't even do that. It's Merida again. This is a set again, and they have it. It's her horse and its brothers.
Well, it's her castle. Yeah, I see it. Holy moly. Okay, turn around and tell Uncle Doug and Brittany and Kenzie thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, who?
Love you.
Doug and Brittany and Kenzie.
Doug and Brittany. Kenzie.